The rubber deflector attaches to your edger just behind the blade guard. It is a safety flap that stops debris from being thrown by the blade. Over time, the deflector can be worn by debris hitting against it. The flap can be accidentally torn off the machine. A worn or missing deflector should be immediately replaced to avoid a flying debris accident. Replacing the rubber deflector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old rubber deflector from the edger. The deflector is secured with 3 screws, and I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new deflector. You'll notice that the holes are not equally spaced, so it only goes on one direction. I'll install the screws through the rubber deflector, align them with the bracket, and then start each of the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new rubber deflector on your edger. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.